It is time to pack again, so I'm getting out my suitcase. We're going on a trip next week, and I'm gonna show you how I pack one suitcase for myself, my 6-year-old, and my 3-year-old toddler. So here we go. All right, this is my trusty suitcase. It is one suitcase, so I'm gonna pack all 3 of our stuff for the entire week. So this is about 6 days, and everything is going in this red suitcase right here. So I'm gonna show you my thought process. Now, when packing for toddlers or kids, you have to have a little chaos first before you can have organization. So this is what I do. First, I go through their rooms and I pull out lots and lots of stuff. Now, I'm not gonna take all of this stuff, but I'm going to sort it and get it all laid out so that I can see everything. That way I can go through my mind the days of the week, what we're gonna have to wear based on temperature, what we're doing, all of those different things. And then I'm going to start taking stuff out and I'm going to narrow it down and then try to decide what I want to bring all together. Now, Vivian, my 6-year-old, is a little bit easier to pack for because she doesn't destroy all her clothes and make a huge mess every time she wears them. So she can actually rewear a couple of things, which is really nice. Now, my 3-year-old, on the other hand, I have to pack an outfit or 2 for each day. So I kind of have to think through that. He makes a mess every time he eats and plays and whatever. So for him, my thought is to bring more pants, more shirts, extra. So his side is actually going to take up a little bit more room than Vivian's side, and also my side too, because I'm going to be able to rewear a couple of things as well. So he is going to have the most clothes. Oh, so for him, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shirts, and 1, 2, 3, 4 pants. Now I still have some in the laundry that I'm going to get as well, but I'm gonna try to fold his stuff the best I can and pack it on one side of the suitcase. Now, when packing for toddlers, there's no room for error. You really do have to pack more than you think you're gonna take, because you might think, oh, well, can wear these pants twice. He's not going to, okay? He's gonna mess them up. He's gonna spill something in the car. You really do have to just pack an outfit for each day, multiple times a day. So I'm talking like 3 backup outfits. Is it inconvenient? Yeah, probably, but you kind of just have to work through that, especially if you know you're not gonna have laundry services available. So with toddlers, my main advice is just pack more than you need, because you're gonna need it. So this is 6 days worth of outfits. Hello, here's the culprit. Hi, Piercy.
Hi.
How old are you?
3.
Good, you're the 3. That was a 2, but all right, anyways. So this is 6 days worth of outfits and 6 nights worth of pajamas. Now, I do have some stuff in the laundry. Oh, thank you, buddy. You're so helpful. That I have stuff in the laundry that I'm also gonna put in here, but this takes up one small corner. So I packed it and condensed it into one small corner in my suitcase. That leaves me 3 more corners for Vivian's stuff on one side, my stuff on one corner, and then our shoes in another corner.
As you can imagine, with our YouTube channel, we put a lot of miles on our vehicle while we're traveling all over the state of Florida and beyond. So we're usually looking for ways to reduce our fuel expense. Upside is a free app that lets you get cash back on things like gas, groceries, and dining. Just open the app and look for nearby gas stations to save. I've placed a referral code in the description below. If you use that link or the promo code Anthony3394, you will save an additional 15 cents on your first tank of gas.
I added Vivian's stuff on this side, so that's all of her outfits for 6 days and her pajamas. I also have a couple of jackets, because where we're going, it's going to be a little cooler. So I also have her tennis shoes and her boots already packed. I think that packing for kids in a different climate is also harder, because since we're in South Florida, it's always hot, and that's easy to pack for because the clothes are lighter, the shoes are not as bulky. But where we're going, it's going to be really cold in the morning and the evening, and then it's supposed to be in the low 70s in the middle of the day. So now I have to worry about packing jackets, and I have to think through footwear. They're gonna have to have some boots, maybe some socks. So then I try to go through and I find all the accessories that we're gonna need. So for Vivian, I'm packing up hair bows, socks for her boots, things like that. For Pierce, just socks, tennis shoes, and etc. Now, my clothes are the easiest because I just pick like 2 or 3 dresses that I know I love and are tried and true, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack those. And something that helps keep my stuff at a minimal in the suitcase is I hang up all the jackets and sweaters that I'm gonna wear for the week on one hanger, and we hang it up in the van. So I have a white sweater, a jean jacket, and then I have this linen blazer. And all of these things are neutral. That way I can put them and mix and match them with any of the dresses that I have put in my suitcase. All right, Piercy. What do we have here? We have
Susie.
Yep, all four corners. So this is basically what I'm packing. I'm gonna add a few things after the laundry's done, but I have Pierce's corner done, Vivian's corner done, my corner is done, and then we have the shoe corner done. So that completes all of our clothes and shoes for the week up here. And I'll probably start this video tomorrow because I still need to gather some things. That'll be our shampoo, conditioner, travel bag, hairspray, sound machine, all of those good things. When I'm packing for myself and the kids, I always start a few days ahead. That way I get kind of the structure of what I want to pack like 2 days before we leave. And then I can work through some details in my mind and I'm super prepared. But when packing for toddlers, you never want to do it last minute because there are so many different elements of things that they need. So tomorrow I'll take you along the snack bag that I pack, also my travel essentials like hairspray, shampoo, because I use those with all of the kids. We share all of those things, makes it a lot easier. It is the next day and I have packed all the clothes in the suitcase. I have a couple of things, like literally 1 or 2 things that are in the dryer. So I just have to remember to get those out. So hopefully I do. But all the clothes are packed. Now I'm moving on to the snack bag, which if you are traveling with toddlers is probably the most important thing, maybe even more important than the clothes. So this is kind of the disorganization I have right now because I have to have disorganization before I have actual organization. So I have all the things out that I've bought, some things I know I'm gonna take. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in individual bags and put them in the snack bag. That way I can just reach in either in the car or where we are and I can just grab a snack bag and it will be great. My snack bag is officially packed. I have all the things that my kids like, which is super important. And I also have my coffee. I pack my own coffee because I don't trust hotel coffee. It is gross. So clothes are packed, snack bag is packed. I have my diaper bag all ready, and that's just basic, some extra pull-ups for Pierce because he's still working on potty training. And I have a miniature snack bag for the diaper bag. And then I have my bag packed here and also our vitamins that we take every day. I have all of those packed up. So I'm pretty sure I'm done. I just have to get those few things out of the dryer. And then of course I'll add some last minute things when we get ready to leave tomorrow. Things like our portable sound machine, because we're gonna be using that tonight. And so I will make sure I'm gonna throw that in there. And then, you know, like the kids' blankets and things like that that they already sleep with. So other than that, I think I'm good to go. That's it, we're all packed and ready to go.